In a major breakthrough for modern warfare, Ukrainian company Dron ZP has introduced a cutting-edge turret designed to neutralize enemy drones, particularly FPV models, which pose a growing threat on the battlefield. Tested by the Unmanned Systems Battalion of the 15th Brigade of the National Guard, this turret is equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun and advanced neural network technology. It offers semi-autonomous precision control, enhanced by night vision capabilities and an intuitive joystick interface. Initial trials have been successful, with further refinements planned before deployment along Ukraine's defense lines. Although stationary, the turret is mounted on a trailer, making it transportable to key positions. Dron ZP is also working on mobile platforms, including ground drones that could carry these turrets or assist in casualty evacuation. Public support for these initiatives remains strong, with a recent crowdfunding campaign raising nearly 300,000 hryvnias to develop a ground platform. This innovation is part of a broader effort by Ukraine to combat aerial threats. Systems like the Shahed Hunter and microwave weapons are already proving effective at neutralizing enemy drones, highlighting the country's ability to adapt to asymmetric warfare. Ground drones also play a vital role in transporting supplies, demoning, and saving lives by reducing risks for soldiers on the front lines. The anti-drone turret, combined with these advancements, showcases Ukraine's resilience and technological ingenuity in defending against evolving threats. As uncertainty grows around future Western aid, Ukraine's focus on self-reliance and innovation demonstrates its commitment to maintaining a strong and modernized defense.